Yes, good day everyone, welcome to Global Gipsy. Today's video I'll be talking about a new platform called PRC20u.com. It's a new platform that pays you every day, guys. Pays you every day. I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can also register your account. First thing I'm going to do is that I've deposited in this platform. I have total of 35 USDT, which I'll be using to invest now. Okay, just have to come here. You see this arrow, come to this arrow here. They have different plans. Okay, they have one of 4.9 USDT daily. Okay, but I'm going for the one of 20 USDT. Okay, click on invest. Okay, I'm going to put the amount I have there. Okay, in my wallet. Let me check my wallet to see my account here. I have 35.16 USDT. Come back here, click on it. 35.16 USDT. Okay, that means I'll be earning total of 70.85 cents. Okay, click on confirm. Okay, successful purchase. Okay, and my earnings will be dropping every day in this platform. I'll be dropping the details about the platform. Yes, firstly I'm going to do is that I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that I can register your account. First thing to do is to put your email, your password, and your confirm password. After that, this is how your account is going to look like after you have signed up your account. In this platform, you have to deposit first before you can earn. Okay, you just have to come here. You see here, there are different type of machines. Okay, that's the type of machines which you can earn from. Okay, check from the VIP one. The first one, which is USDT 1 day, it give you 4.92% daily, and you can start with $10. Okay, second one, which is the 5 days, it gives you 6.6% daily. The third one, which is the fourth minor, which is the gives you 10.15% daily, and more. Okay, this one gives you 16.16 USDT. That gives 26.26 USDT. We are starting with 66 USDT. Okay, you can choose any of these USDT if you want to earn from this platform, guys. The first thing to do is to come here, come to this home here, click on this deposits. You can choose any of your deposit charge you want to use. You can use either TRC20 or TRC or TRS. Okay, I prefer using TRS. Okay, copy your address and make the payment. After that, it will automatically reflect in your account. Okay, that done with your after that reflects in your account. Earlier before I've showed you my balance. I have 35 USDT which I deposited, which I've used to invest. Okay, 35.16 cents. Okay, because I have to come here to this miner here. You choose any of your VIP you want to invest in. Okay, I'm going for the one of 20 USDT. You come here, click on the invest and put the amount. You can put all your balance. Okay, so that I click on confirm, to automatically start earning for you guys. And you can also withdraw at any time. Okay, click on this withdraw button. Yes, you have to set your withdrawal address. Put your PO number, this PO number, and put your new password. After that, click on modify. Okay, you can withdraw as much as possible, and there is no withdrawal fee in this platform. And you can add your withdrawal address. Okay, you can add your withdrawal address to it. After you have modified your account, you're done with that. The next thing to do is to check your miner. Okay, just come here, you come to this where you see my investment, and you see your investment running. Okay, the another thing you can do in this platform is to you can earn the daily free signing. Okay, just come to this home and click, see this sign in, click on it. After that, every day you just have to come every day to sign. Okay, you have get 0.1 USDT just now. Okay, you can keep doing it every day for yourself. And remember, you can withdraw through only your USDT. You can withdraw to your USDT. Okay, you can make more than 70 USDT in this platform, guys. You can also chat the customer service if you have any problem concerning your withdrawal or deposit. Okay, chat the customer service going through the Telegram group. And you can also refer your friends. Come here, you see share, copy your referral link and start sharing. That is it. Make sure you watch video closely to know how to earn from this platform, guys. You can earn a lot from this platform, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. More from